Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to do this henna treatment in 3 hours because a few days ago I needed to henna my hair. I did not have the time, but I still wanted to henna my hair to keep up with the strength of it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this henna in 3 hours using one of my fun little tools, and that's my steamer guys. So let's get started. So of course we're going to start with freshly washed hair. Another trick I'm using is making my henna a lot more watery than I usually would make it, and I'm not using as much henna. And we're going to separate our hair the same way we would. I usually start with the front now because it needs a lot more care. It needs a little bit more attention, so I want the henna to sit on the front a little bit longer. So we're going to start with the roots, apply it, make sure it's completely covering my roots, and we're going to go towards the ends of the hair and make sure that's completely covered as well. And of course guys, we're going to do this all over our hair to make sure it's properly covered. Now if you guys can see, my hair is completely covered. It's not as packed as usual. It is not dripping, and I did not lose a lot of hair because my hair was mostly detangled already. And after we do that, we're going to sit under the steamer for 30 minutes and we're going to let that soak in. And that's the big trick to doing this in 3 hours, because the part of you sitting in and letting the henna sit on your hair is because you want it to penetrate the strands, and that steamer is going to open up your hair follicles and help it penetrate all the way through. So it's like you were sitting for about 3 hours. And guys, I'm using an old shirt. If you can see, a little bit of henna did drip on it. And after that, we're going to put a plastic cap on and leave this on for about an hour and a half. That makes it 2 hours guys. Now that we've been hennaing our hair, you're going to make sure your hair is completely rinsed out guys after you rinse out the henna. And then guys, I'm going to use aloe vera juice actually and a little bit of Aloe to rinse out my hair. I'm going to put this on and massage it in my hair for about 15 minutes. Make sure it's completely massaged all the way to the scalp, and rinse that out after I'm done. After I rinse out all that henna treatment guys and rinse out the clay, I deep condition my hair for about 15 minutes under the steamer again, and I rinsed it out. So if you guys see my other videos, you'll see how I deep condition my hair, and I deep conditioned the strands. I did not do the scalp to make sure it stays as clean as possible, and I went over and rinsed that out as well. And after you rinse this guys, you're going to notice that there's almost no bits in your hair. As I mentioned, if you rinse it out quite thoroughly, you won't have that much bits left in there, if any at all. Usually there's just a little bit of bits in your hair. My hair shrinked up extremely nice. You can see the curls in it. I did get my complete henna treatment. You can see the back really shows you guys how much it shrinked up. The curls are in it. It is clean. It is henna. It's done. My hair is stronger. It looks better, and it's ready to go. In about 3 hours guys, I had my hair henna and ready to go, and I was able to go on with my day. So if you guys need to do a quick henna treatment, you can still do the same henna treatment but under 3 hours, or in about 3 hours, so you can be done and not have to sit for 10 hours to get your hair henna. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already guys, of course subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell so you know when I have new videos out. Give this video a thumbs up, leave all your comments down below, and go over and watch my last video.